Let there be life.
There can't be
From death,
no
joy.
life.
From stone, strength. From desert, abundance.
Don't exist.
Behold, the kingdom is renewed.
Never left my side. He showed me the way out of all the storms.
Behold, I bring life to this valley of death.
He gave
Rise
me back
and walk in the light of renewal.
life. I
Let all
owe
creation
him
flourish.
everything. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord, forever and always. I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord, always.
Rise from the dust and be renewed.
We are alive! Praise God!
Let life spring forth from the barren land. Rise and bring forth abundance. Be filled with living water. Behold the dawn of renewal.
Let the dead earth awaken. Rise and bring forth life. From barrenness, abundance flows. Behold the power of faith.
Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord, forever and always. I rejoice, rejoice.
Arise, for I command life into this barren world. Let these bones live and run free. Trees, bear fruit. Earth, become a river teeming with life.